Brock's Bowl and Pizzeria. Thank you. Oh, wow. Wow. That's nice in here. Thank you.
Hi.
Hello. Yes, we made it. Happy
Yay.
birthday.
Thank
Or,
you.
yeah. Ooh, look at this place. Oh, wow. So yeah, it's 16 lanes. 16 lanes. Yeah, we gotta size. Oh wow. Oh, that's fine. We can find a spot now. Let's go look around. No, I think you gotta put tickets in for this. Oh wow. I'm not getting any points. I lost that one. Ah. I got one on that one. Oh, cool.
This is cool. I want to play this game. Maybe afterwards
Ooh.
we can play these games. So we need to swipe something on it.
Yeah. No.
Or is that going to put over
It's not bad. This place is kind of cool. Oh no. No, roll it the other way. I think it got stuck.
Hey, shaking at me.
Hey, swipe card. No, he's telling you swipe card to pay. All right.
Spin the wheel of wheels. Win wheel of morality. Spin, spin, spin.
You must remove your shoes. Oh, guys, duh. We walked in without our shoes, so we got to put our shoes in the slots. Read the sign. It says you must remove your shoes. Thank you. So just find a slot. Remember where you put them. All right, and then okay. I don't know if they got the bowls or.
It feels weird.
I know. Do we ask?
Yeah.
It's right here. Okay. What, do you remember what size we're? I think mine's 7.5.
10.5.
10.5. I think mine's are 7.5.
Men's 10.5.
8.
I'm men's 10.5. Colin,
Okay.
you're men's 10.5? Huh.
Is it larger? Yeah. Oh wow.
Who's going first on that side?
I can go first.
Okay. I'm doing this. And there's Dad's ball.
Nah. Change it.
Red, are you gonna be on our side?
Yeah.
So Simon
Yes, boys gets girls. Okay, give me a
Pretty sure. Guys, guys, take off your jackets. Let's find a bowling ball. Find the bowling ball that calls to you. No. Which one, Con? Is that the one that called to you? No. Well, you gotta make sure it's good enough to grip.
I like this.
You just want to make sure it's good enough to grip. You want something that's comfortable. Eh. Okay, the game has started, guys. So I put in the order. So Colin, remember, you're after me. Thomas, you're after Colin. So I'm up. Let's try it out. Whoa! Ah, gutter first thing. Well, let's try to get a second try. There, maybe I'll get a... Alright, so it was a good comeback. Okay, Colin, you are up. Yeah, see, I put in the...
Okay.
Nice one, Colin. Dude, you gonna get a strike? Dude, you got a strike first thing. First try.
I was training how to do bowling at school. Learn nothing, but still win.
I guess this place is much smaller than the one in bottom of our hill. I think there's like 20 lanes, 25, 26.
Okay.
Thomas, Gutter. Gutter. You get to go again, dude, once the ball comes back. This one's mine.
Okay.
Yeah, that one's mine.
Not yours.
Watch your hands.
Someone can use mom if you want.
Thomas, you're up. Good luck. Gutter again? No, it's Gutter. Haha. Ooh. Oh, that's gonna be a tricky one to get.
Probably because I might have gotten the slightest.
Ah, yeah. Yeah. Yes, strike. Good luck. Remember, focus. It's pretty good. Oh, you're gonna have to get that somehow. Gutter, Gutter. Easy. Ah. No, you should have focused. So focus your aim. That's not gonna.
You're not gonna make it.
You gotta give it.
You're gonna hit one.
Papa. Eh. You should have. You gotta give it more oomph to it.
Because I'm not sure. My ears are too big.
Oh, nice. Gutter, no. Yeah, it was a gutter. Yes, maybe. Spare? No. I did pretty good. That's not bad. See what you got. Ah, it's a gutter. Yeah. Really? You were on a roll and now you're not doing so well. That knocked down the pins for you. Give it some speed. Wow, that's speed. Well, maybe. You'll hit some pins.
You hit something. See?
All right. Ah, you're not doing so well. All right. Oh, oh, that's a gutter. I felt that come on my wrist wrong. Oh, come on. Missed twice. I'm not happy on that one. Oh, yeah, maybe. All right, I can work with that. Let's do this. Oh, okay, for spare. Thomas, you're up. No, wait, Colin. My bad, Colin, you're up. Ah, got her. There, oh, come on. How is that not a strike? How is that not a strike?
One left.
Yeah. Oh, yes! Spare. Ah, good one. Give it more of a roll.
I can't go. Yeah, I know.
Eh. Nice. Get a spare on that one. Got. Yeah.
Okay, don't do that.
Okay, that is it. That was a good match. Good game. All right, that is it. Game is over. Put the ball back.
Fast wheel!
No, I can't buy anything. If I score, I win.
It's, you know,
Yeah, he just puts lightning at you. That game. 7 o'clock.
I think so.
all right, that is bowling. About 2 hours of playing. We were about an hour away. Drove about an hour away to get here, and we played about 2 hours. And now we got like an hour back. So yeah, I think we did pretty good today.